Kolej Matrikulasi Perlis. Our group name is Moonrocketing. I'm Zie Qing.
I'm Chee Han.
I'm Cheryl. The vision and mission of our project is to produce a rocket for human travel to the moon. The objective of our project are produce a high-quality, ecologically sustainable rocket.
Produce a rocket that able to reach high altitude until reaching the moon.
Ensure the safety of humans during the back and forth journey.
Provide an economic rocket. The best shape of the rocket head is nose cone, which is a rounded curve with a narrower and sharper point. It helps to stop the airflow from the front so that the path of the rocket is stable and does not experience air resistance.
The rocket body must be as narrow as possible because the rocket with a larger diameter will have more drag. There is more air being pushed out of the way. Drag depends on the cross-sectional area of the object pushing through the air. The rocket with a smaller diameter will help to reduce the drag efficiently.
Trapezoid fin is the best shape of fin for a rocket. This shape can maintain the stability of a rocket. This is due to the fin can reduce the pressure drag and the induced drag. Besides that, the fin, which is aerofoil, are able to produce high restoring lift force at even small angles of attack.
The shape of the booster are almost same as the rocket body, but they have different functions. Booster provide thrust in spacecraft launches from initial launch through the first ascent.
The booster fill in liquid hydrogen and oxygen as propellant. This is because the liquid hydrogen is very light, and this will enable hydrogen aircraft to be lighter.
The main material for our rocket are aluminium, silica fiber, and titanium.
Aluminium and titanium are suitable to build the outermost layer of the rocket because the metals are very strong and lightweight.
The silica fibers are the fibers that are covered by the glass. This is the main material for heat shield tiles because the silica fibers is a great insulator as the glass increases their effectiveness.
The rocket works on the conservation of momentum and the Newton's second law of motion. Rocket works on the principle of conservation of momentum. The conservation of momentum is a fundamental concept of physics along with the conservation of energy and the conservation of mass. The conservation of momentum states that within some problem of domain, the amount of momentum remains constant. Momentum is neither created nor destroyed, but only changed through the action of forces as described by Newton's law of motion. The air released behind the rocket creates a backward momentum. This impacts a momentum to the rocket of the same magnitude, but in the opposite direction, which causes the rocket to slide forward. A rocket moving forward has a magnitude of momentum equal to the momentum of the air, which is the gas behind the rocket. That is to balance the amount of momentum that was initially zero.
The pressure produced by the controller explosion that occurs inside the rocket is a force called thrust. The pressure accelerates the gas in one direction and the rocket in the other. The thrust for the rocket continues as long as the engine fires. Therefore, the engine spends a lot of fuel in the exhaust.
Why the rocket body is white? According to the principle of light rejection, white objects reflect all colors while black objects absorb all color. White objects appear white because white objects reflect all 7 colors light. Light is part of electromagnetic wave and contains energy. When light is absorbed, there will be a conversion in the form of energy from light energy to heat energy. In conclusion, for black objects, all light is absorbed, and this will cause the black body to become overheated. while for white objects, all light is reflected and this will prevent the objects from overheating.
There is a telescope in the scenic area. Passengers can enjoy the scenic view of the vast universe, such as stars, meteors, comets, and so on. As there is microgravity, passengers are weightless and can sleep in any orientations. However, they have to attach themselves so that they do not float around and bump into something. Space station crews usually sleep in a sleeping bags located in a small crew cabins. Each crew cabin is just big enough for one person. Next, the storeroom keeps things that the passenger need, such as medicine, food, drinks, equipment, and other useful goods.
Tables and chairs are provided in the recording room. This room is used to write reports, make discussions, and any paperwork activities. The garden provides a chance for humans to plant in the space. Plants can metabolize the carbon dioxide in the air to produce valuable oxygen and can help to control the cabin humidity. Solar panel can provide power to run the sensor, active heating, cooling, and telemetry. Solar electric propulsion can also provided by the solar panels. Therefore, solar panels need to have a lot of surface area that can be pointed toward the sun as the spacecraft moves. More exposed surface area means more electricity can be converted from light energy from the sun. This can lead to an effective energy saving.
Thank you.